ইন্টারভিউ নিচ্ছে সব এগুলো তোলো, ছবি তোলো, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে তোলো, আর এই পুরো ছবিগুলো সব তোলো আমাকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাঠাবে, ঠিক আছে? আর শোনো না, বলছি ভালো করে তোলো ছবিগুলো। কল্পনাজির সঙ্গে আমার পার্সোনাল ছবি তুলে পাঠাও, ওগুলো ফেসবুকে আমরা দেখব। আর এটা হচ্ছে যে একটু জিজ্ঞেস করেছো সুনন্দকে যে এক্স্যাক্টলি কে কে গান গেয়েছে আর কি মিউজিক ডিরেক্টর এক্স্যাক্ট নাম কি?
মিউজিক ডিরেক্টর রিজু রয়
জানি, আর কে কে গান গেয়েছে। Okay, plot of the movie is very interesting. Actually, this is all about women, and this girl who is a fighter, which I'm playing, and she actually takes charge of 10 underprivileged girls, and she, mentors them to be models, and that's her journey all about. And I think it's a very interesting plot, and I believe that I don't think these kind of movies have been made before, like picking up girls randomly and making them into polished models and then presenting them on the center stage, and and how every girl goes through a lot of struggle, and how she actually realized that as a mentor, and she herself was a model before, and she knows how the pain is. I mean, it's a very interesting. There is an interesting backdrop. There is a thriller element also in the story, and what kind of politics goes into this modeling business. Everything is there. It's like a wholesome story, and I think it's a very human story.
But seeing the poster of the movie, the films are sensual, bit heavy. So how comfortable is
See, it's not very sensual, but of course it has got sensual elements because it's all about models and their life and glamour and everything. So sensuousness is definitely there, but it's not sensuousness. It's not everything in the film. There is a very big human side of the film where you can discover each girl's struggle, each girl's misery, pain, how she goes through, in her life, how she actually battles through a lot of odds, and then how she gets success. So when you get success, then how she feels and she looks back and see that the whole world is like clapping and in front of her, and when she looks back, she sees a whole dark side of the thing. So it's a very interesting contrast, and I think every girl has played their parts very well, and Shunando has picked up girls who doesn't have any experience of acting also, so that becomes a very natural way of discovering a new.
आपको कितनी दिक्कतें हुई इस रोल को करने में?
मैं हर रोल में सोचती हूँ मुझे बहुत दिक्कत होगा, क्योंकि मैं हर रोल ही इतना चैलेंज के साथ लेती हूँ, और इस मामले में तो शुनंदो बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट था कि आई हैव टू, मुझे बहुत मतलब वो जो एक पर्सनालिटी है, एक जो फाइटर एलिमेंट है अपना, फाइटर एलिमेंट है अपने अंदर में, वो निकलने में थोड़ा बहुत शुनंदो भी मुझे हेल्प किया, और स्क्रिप्ट बहुत ही पावरफुल है। मुझे लगा कि स्क्रिप्ट इतना अच्छा लिखा उन्होंने, इतना अच्छा डायलॉग्स लिखा, और इतना अच्छे से एक लड़की की ज़िंदगी को वो निकल के लेके आया लोगों के सामने, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। और मुझे लगा कि ऐसा रोल्स के लिए मैं डेफिनेटली वर्क करूँगी, और मैं अपना मतलब खुद ज़िंदगी में मैं एक बहुत बड़ी फ़ाइटर हूँ, और वो फाइटर एलिमेंट है मुझ में, सो मुझे ये रोल करने में इतना दिक्कत भी नहीं हुई।
देखा जाए तो ये पूरी तरीके से हीरोइन सेंट्रिक मूवी है। हाँ। हीरो भी आप हैं और हीरोइन भी आप हैं, तो आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कंधों पे बहुत बड़ा बोझ है आपके इसको एकदम?
हाँ, मैं बोझ लेते लेते काफ़ी यूज टू हो गई अभी, क्योंकि कैलकाटा में बंगाल में इतना बोझ मुझे दिया गया है, और मतलब प्रोड्यूसर्स और डायरेक्टर्स देते ही हैं कि मैं क्वाइट अकस्टम्ड हूँ इसके साथ। लेकिन हिंदी में मेरा इतना लोडेड रोल पहली बार है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही है मेरे ऊपर, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि रोल ही ऐसा है कि लेने से भी इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अगर हम डिलीवर कर सके तो मुझे लगा कि शुनंदो ने इतना अच्छे से वो स्क्रिप्ट को मतलब समीटा, इतना अच्छा से उसको एक शेप दिया, और इतना अच्छे से वो कैरेक्टर्स को भी आगे लेके आए कि मुझे बहुत आसानी हुई है कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रेट करने में। और लोड तो डेफिनेटली, मतलब इफ़ आई डोंट फील द लोड ऑफ द रोल, वैसे डिलीवरी और परफॉर्मेंस भी नहीं आएंगे। तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं एक परफॉर्मर हूँ, तो हर तरीके से मैं परफॉर्मेंस को जितना मेरा परफॉर्मेंस उभर के आएंगे उतना ही अच्छा है।
Last, when you compare other films of yours to this film, what do you have to say? What do you have to comment on that?
सी मेरा अभी काफ़ी फिल्म्स मतलब अटका हुआ है जो मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा कर सकता है मेरे करियर में। एक तो डेफिनेटली SRK बोल के एक मूवी है विनय पाठक के साथ, वार्नर ब्रदर्स की, अजय वर्मा डायरेक्टर है, इलियाराजा म्यूज़िक किया, वो उसके लिए मैं वेट कर रही हूँ। और एक मेरा बहुत अच्छा फिल्म आ रहा है पूरव कोहलिया हितेन तेजवानी के साथ, तेरे आने से, अग्निदेव चैटर्जी का, वो भी मैं वेट कर रही हूँ। के मेनन के साथ फिल्म है BBD, उसके लिए भी मैं वेट कर रही हूँ। तो इसलिए मेरा करियर के लिए बहुत फिल्म्स है जो मतलब मायने रखते हैं। ये भी ज़रूर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फिल्म है क्योंकि इसके अंदर एक जागरण है, मतलब एक ऑल द विमेन आर एक्चुअली शाउटिंग फॉर देयर एग्जिस्टेंस। और मुझे लगता है कि आज की दौर चल रहा है कि महिलाएं ज़रूर शुड कम आउट विद देयर वेंजेंस एंड कम आउट विद देयर एगनी। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये फिल्म वैसे ही एक मतलब डिफरेंट वे ऑफ पोर्ट्रेयल ऑफ विमेंस एगनी एंड एग्रेशन। तो मुझे लगता है ये अगर अच्छे से रिलीज़ होंगे तो, और सॉन्ग्स भी बहुत अच्छा हुआ इसका। रीजू रॉय इज़ द म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर, शान और महालक्ष्मी ने वॉइस लेंड किया। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये भी बहुत ही एक मतलब एक कहीं पे एक डिफरेंस तो ज़रूर होगा।
Thank you.
थैंक यू। ओके थैंक यू। चलो
How was the extraordinary? How was the extraordinary experience while working in a movie? Extraordinary.
It was great, and I think I have a director with me and who has directed Extraordinary, and I think unique concept, and I believe that this kind of movies have not been made before, and talking about sentiment of the ladies, and of course I must say that Shunando has penned a wonderful story, and he has actually brought out the struggle of every woman from different walks of life and how they actually accomplish themselves to become great success. And he has used me as the catalyst of the film, who actually gets them gets their wishes fulfilled. And obviously this girl also walks through a tightrope, and how she actually gathers everyone together, and she picks up 10 underprivileged girls and mentors them and teaches them, grooms them, and does everything to make every girl a single identity.
What do you think to cast?
Undoubtedly, she is one of the best actresses in the country and a national award winner. And while writing the script only, I thought of her because she is the person who could do justice to the entire role.
Where do you really get the story about it?
This was once when I was traveling to Calcutta in Duronto Express. There I saw a few village women walking with their the matkas on their head, and that was looking so beautiful. It looked like a catwalk. So I thought, why not the underprivileged women? I mean, there is this like every woman has this power. So I wanted to bring that out. So I've shown like Rituparna doing the grooming part, and how she handpicks 10 underprivileged women from the society. One being a victim of rape, one can be a girl who comes for house help.
One is a waitress.
One is a waitress. One is a victim of casting couch. So she handpicks 10 of them, makes a group, and calls the group Extraordinary. The movement Extraordinary. Extraordinary. Nari is like, spelled like N-A-A-R-I. So that's it.
There is a special moment in every film you shoot. Was there any special moment by shooting of the film?
Oh yeah, there's so many actually. There's some moments when I interact personally with every girl and finds out their agony and aggression in life. So there are beautiful moments where they break down and they try to just leave the place and go, and I just try to bind them together and get them together. So this is the power, this is the force, this is the spirit, and I think this is very usable in our lives also. It's not like a film is made only to see the film and just have the feel of it and go, but also implement in your own life. So I think we can implement a lot of things from this film, and a lot of moments can be used in our own lives.
As a director, do you think after film as the woman will become more stronger?
The audience is huge. The audience is huge because every character a person can relate with. They are very realistic. An auto rickshaw wala's wife and a doctor's wife can sit together and watch the film and identify themselves. So obviously there is an audience. I mean, mainly the women audience.
Last, as a woman, as a celebrity, are women extraordinary as compared to their counterparts?
Absolutely, yes.
I mean, what
They
they
have got,
have-
and of course, they have got. Every woman has got some kind of power, some kind of subtle power which we don't know, which we need to tap and discover. So I think through this film, there will be a lot of impetus, a lot of spirit, will come across this film to make them absolutely brave, and also become much more confident, and also become much more aware of a lot of things which actually women want to know, they don't know. Because through this film, I think there is a lot of information given for them who can actually come out of the shell and find out their own identity. This is most important. The most important part I want to talk about is the identity part, because every woman is they just get into the cocoon and they get into the shell and then to know who they are. So sometimes you need to make them feel that who they are. So this movie will definitely give them their own identification.
Thanks.
Thank you.